Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Nana. The story I want to tell today is Missing Marcus. Missing Marcus. Everyone is waiting to get on basketball of a sudden. The party starts and looks is dead. He can't find Terry Marcus. I can find my Marcus. Where are they? The body runs back into the classroom to look for his Marcus. Where did I leave my Marcus? Well, the body comes down and think about where we saw the land. Then the body remembers the dream. How is Marcus to tell her? I think she has my Marcus. The body and his teacher find dream on the school bus. She remembers the Jack that was dead after her. So Jack has my Marcus. Let's go find him. The body and his teacher find Jack. Jack tells the body, Lolita borrowed Marcus. Going upstairs. The body let's go find Lisa. Oh, I know she has that. But the body finds Lisa. She body into the Marcus in his cabrio. Then to Lisa, go to the Marcus. The body will lay. When the body looks in his cabrio, his Marcus on the inside. He starts to cry. They are not here. Oh, don't worry, we'll take another. The body keeps crying. His teacher and anyone has your Marcus. Does anyone know where the body's Marcus are? Tommy remembers that the body was Marcus when he put on his shoes to trade the supernet. Oh no, let's go look. The body and his classmates go to the show cabinet. The Marcus are late. Where was the body left? Oh, sorry everyone. I guess I'm so glad. That's okay. Let's try and remember. Well, you need to next time. Okay, thanks for your attention.